Hi, Max. Happy birthday. We wish you all the best in life. And ayaw pagtungan nakalimot ko kay wala. Continue believing, continue desiring, continue to be faithful because God loves you so much. And so do I. No, sinihan na alanggid ko diri pirmi. And ayaw na wala asin mo huna-huna na ako, sinihan, nag nag-love sa inyo. Alright? And so, nala ko diri, i-text ko, tawagi ko, kitawagan ta ka, i-text ko ta ka. Alright? Happy birthday, happy birthday. Wish you all the best in life, in love life, and in all areas. Salamat for being my daughter. I love you.